Hey guys, so first of all I'm sorry, I should have created this video earlier. So basically previously I recorded a video where I showed that how to stake and participate in MAV airdrop. So now this is the video to show that how to remove the liquidity which you have staked. Okay, first of all you need to come here on Binance. So you already know that. Okay, let me just go back. And here you need to go to more services and go to Web3 Wallet. Okay, so here you need to click on discover on the right side bottom corner and go for Maverick, because this is one we staked, and click on open the app or the app. Okay, so here you will see the option. If you click on the corner on the left corner on the top, so you will see here different option. What you wanna click on is portfolio. Click here and here you will see your balance and your reward. Don't go to claim the reward because it will be, if you have more reward so you can claim, but I think the easier step would be manage if you want to remove. So just click on unstake and remove liquidity. It will you will also allow you to claim your reward. And how much you wanna unstake, click on 100%. So okay, 100% and confirm. So once you will confirm, so it will ask you to give some confirmation. Okay, and okay, so next one, transaction submitted, and then we need to approve it. Okay, so I'm gonna approve. Again, same thing. Okay, so now we need to confirm the amount. Okay, and then we need to claim the reward. Unfortunately reward is low and fees is high. I mean, in my case, because I used low quantity. If you have used more quantity, so you would have a higher reward. Okay, done. So this is approved now. See, my earning and rewards have been gone from here. So if we click on wallet, sorry, let's go back. I'm sorry, just another thing. Once you will come here on the Maverick D app, let me just, yeah, you will see here to connect wallet, and you need to connect the wallet, and here you will see Binance and it will be connected. Okay, so let's go back and see. Your balance should show up here like that. Okay, see, previously it was 25 in total, and now you can see 47. By the way, I got from the airdrop, this is what I got.